Good evening. Thank you for joining us. First on News 2 at 6 o'clock, parents of students at Impact Charter School are suing the Board of Elementary and Secondary Education. Friday, BESE replaced the school's standing board with 7 new members. News 2's Alexis Maroney explains why parents believe BESE violated the law.
Sylvia, a state judge late today rejected the parents' request for a temporary restraining order to stop the work of the newly appointed school board. In their suit, parents suing say they're happy with the education their children have been receiving from Impact Charter or Education Explosion, and they don't want anything to change.
It violates the 4th Amendment of the United States Constitution. We believe it violates contract law. We believe it violates the independence of a charter school.
Monday, 2 lawsuits were filed against the Board of Elementary and Secondary Education in response to a meeting Friday.
I think everyone in the public should understand that our government should not be able to interfere in our private businesses.
A state audit published last year said the owner of Impact Charter Schools used money to fund personal trips and expenses. Attorney Ron Haley, who represents Education Explosion and Impact Charter School, says BESE appointing 7 new members to the school's board was an overstep.
There are remedies that BESE can do, but what they should not be able to do is, as a state entity, come into a private company that is deemed a 501c3 by the federal government and take over their board.
The lawsuits allege BESE violated open meetings laws by choosing the 7 board members ahead of Friday.
This hearing was to be held to determine if there was going to be a hearing to reconstitute the board, that it was going to be essentially a Texas two-step.
But that's not what happened.
One or two things have to be true. Either they violated their own open meetings laws and met with quorums outside the public view, or they just took the recommendations from the Louisiana Department of Education for these replacement board members.
Haley says either way, the public should have been able to comment on the 7.
The board's first meeting is set for tonight at 6:30. Sylvia?
Alexis, thank you.